Okay friends, now this is a multiples question taken from one of the first few problem sums of the paper 2 from SCGS 2020. Okay, let's discuss. Alicia's watch is programmed to ring every 5 minutes. Please put the letter Y here. Her alarm clock is programmed to ring every 8 minutes. At what time will the two devices ring together? Again, given that the last time they rang together was at 10 a.m. Alright, now this question requires you to do some kind of listing, okay, for the watch and also for the alarm clock. Okay, for the watch, it will ring every 5 minutes, right? So the first time it will ring again is after that 5 minutes, followed by at the 10th minute, 15th minute, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and so on. Alright, and as for the alarm clock, it will go off at 8 minutes, 16th minute, 24th minute, 32, 40, and then 48, and then so on. So as you can see, if you ring at 10 a.m., the next time the watch is going to ring is at 10:05. As for the alarm clock, the next time it's going to ring together is 10:08. So at what time will they ring again together? That's when there's a common timing, right? So the watch, if you have a look, this time and this time is common for the watch and the alarm clock. So at 10:40, the watch will go off. Same for the alarm clock, 10:40 also. So what we need to do is find the lowest common multiple between 5 and 8. So, and that happens to be 40 minutes. So 10 a.m. at 40 minutes. At what time will they ring together again? The answer will be 10:40 a.m.